name of that step mirror. Step mirror with there. Step mirror with step.
Oh, Miss Baby, careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Parry, blessings. Yeah, step mirror with the Uncle Murphy. Yellow boy.
Blessing, Barry. Every time, you know?
No, sir. Sure.
Barry.
A long time I don't see you, you know.
I'm thanking Barry.
Yeah. Blessings. They just shooting a come man. We soon show them. See show? Yeah. When them see it again in a different story. Yeah. Shooting a come on. Show that. See face look bright and nice. Yeah. Everything curry. But look here. And weather up here 3 weeks now. I'm not come here. And look out that door. Show them out that door, Dad. Show them cross the region. Weather. That will come in here. And look here, this you can see that all the whole game is a buffer. So right now we're there, so we're not cooking no pot, we're not doing nothing, just go sweep off my veranda, wipe it off, and right now I want to cut 2 bananas, carry down and then something on the rain and come down back here. Workman can't come to the car, in my render off out the door, that can't happen in the rain. So that comes to do some priming. City we are head back, we don't want the river then come down for us. So that's about it. In the next bit, I'm going to sweep off my veranda, wipe off my veranda. And we can't cook, we can't do nothing. So we're there in the house here, sit down and show that you with way. But she said today the hardest it a fall from with here. So it not really a fall harder. Don't think in a rain, but season rain, like a nice season rain this. So we're not gonna get a lot. So look your margaritas, I know some like so I have a long time I don't know. But even though we haven't posted set mirror videos for about 3 weeks now, that came here, but you just never open up the camera. So may I say, and more time you just lower your camera, you know? Yeah. So we die so today and all of that. But she had a birthday during the time we were off camera. Yeah. And so it show him that look on his face. Hey, Barry, no look how about your face, look young and nice. I say look like he licked down something up here. That me I say, right Uncle Murphy, I want to when something licked down your face, you know. So tell the people I'm not Murphy anything licked down up here, you know. They say not licked down yet. No. Alright, Barry. So me catch you in the next clip. Me there bush mouth here, man. Next clip. Barry, we out at the rain, all up like but so I will pass so come now. Real sent me a rain this year, but it's like a season rain. Uncle Murphy, we are going there. Hey, we can't go country, you know. Uncle Murphy belly full. Alright, banana. Not true, Murphy, we can't get to cook. But right banana have banana dip out. Yes. Yes. Uncle say some eat banana, you know. When you go up here, because you know, say them are the organic banana. Yeah, we eat them like them, I go like back to prescribe them food. Upon the plate. Hey, look at what you know. You coming like this slug them, but look at Papa fried still, you know. You don't that. Yeah. We brush it. Breadfruit then just know. You know, me that look fun. One thing that I hear, so one, you know, like level off the edge and it just grow to proportion. You see it? Yeah man, we all fix it. The cotton pretty. Pretty. Then remember the dirt. I said piece of that cotton. Then we can't go here, so? No, nobody go there. Why? I sink there, so nobody go there. Well, I sink, me want to sink. You want to sink? Because me want to see if you can take me up back, if not you lose the work. Right, Murph? Me say, Parry, Uncle Murphy, me say to you, say, when we come up at the rain was doing, me say, Dad, I left all of my jacket then left at home and we don't have no umbrella. Dad take me out of the car, out in the during rain, carry me in. And me say, if my calf one time, Dad lose the work. And listen what happen now. You know what happen? Yeah, that I go do. I'm going to do something for help yourself. I don't mean take a road. A 3 times now my calf, you know. I need a blood. Listen what I say. I say if my calf one time, you lose the work. Here you know. That's a 4 times. Nobody stop cough. Cough go on. Oh, so you want to lose the work? Cough go on. No, you know, so them in the comment section that take up for you. Well, you lose the work. Officially come a cough. No stop cough. Yeah. Continue cough, man. Right, Barry, the rain will up we out the road. You come like a Christmas. We come out for ball walk. Sure. At Christmas, we come out for ball walk. Hey, a ball walk? Oh, so them never cut over this side there.
I can do it one.
So for we say, there,
Oh, you
no
come
worry
back.
say about
You
my
come back.
side.
No, man. Instead of do it.
Okay.
Oh, it's on camera. Yeah, box cover. Shoe come from under that. Me don't like how you look. Step back, come back to me.
You know.
I don't like where that breadfruit is. I don't want it dropping on your head. You gotta be careful. All that you should even bother kill yourself for that. Pick this white test up. Don't kill yourself for that. I don't like what that breadfruit there over your head. Listen to me, brother. I don't like, because you see breadfruit is a funny thing, you know. When you pick it, you have to, it will pitch back and drop in your head in a ball. So come back, yeah. Then you deal with it now. All them two they pick, then they one up there, see your left feet. So take your time. See? Whoa, the mosquito them.
Man,
Lord God.
Yeah, I feel them.
Sure you couldn't tell the mosquito them to behave themselves. Yeah. At you. Him don't move. Box cover. Shoe hold on, you know. Right, your baby not born yet. Shoe drop it. Show your baby the bonnet to the boy, so me no want them say. Yeah, because from seeing face look nice, me know him tear down something, man. Them me no know. No, Uncle Murphy have got him well as show mine. Yeah? Them they're on the right this one. Okay. So see, no only the parry, that catch straight, right? But sure. Terence, it look like it's locked them and go bad eye. Ashes round the road. But in the dry time, the rain time, the ashes and it now work. Wow! The people them tell me say me fi get salt, but me would have to go get the whole of salt factory. We have to hear your shoe say though.
Yeah,
We have to have the factory for that. Don't they up here
out.
enough. And when the rain fall, then come up enough. Mind the side there. Look at ground parry, look how breadfruit drop out, right path and splash out. Yep, somebody don't want to brush you up here. Alright. They call it basil over there, but this is our Jamaican basil. But me never know when my sister said, Debbie, you know say where we grew a country and we old people, them say no bazi, and it a basil. But them have, no man parry the mosquito, them have go and bad run a bush mouth here. So you see these now, are the petal them, you know. So you are going to make I'm going to make them dry. And them have some little seed in them, and then you can see it's not make meat. But you see this, brother? Ah, that massy. The tea sweet, yeah? If you ever boil this with little jack in the bush, look at jack in the bush, jack in the bush, jack in the bush, and little sauce. Hey, I want sweet piece of fragrance.
Yeah, man.
No bazi. Jamaican. Old time people, me I can ask Rosalie what she say, you know, our people call it no bazi, but people don't understand. So you see them petal here, they make nice tea. And then come up so and you pick them and you draw them, they make nice tea, green or no green. No bazi. Me no know, it's our Jamaica is a type of basil, but me never seen no other basil grow up here than this. So this is
You know, they have one next one.
no basil.
Can't
find a spirit weed.
Wild basil.
Wild basil?
Yeah, one next one.
Look like that.
I must see wild basil.
You know it's same one?
But this is one of me, but me know say fragrance.
I same one, you know.
Eh?
I same one called wild basil. I same one.
See some of the crowd down here will have her that tell me what me can use when it dry if you put manure for the something they call them, but it wet, I know me can't trouble it. So what you know? I saw them want so this is the iron weed, you see? Anybody who don't know the iron weed? No man. No, your hand can't drop that, you know, Uncle Murphy. You have to dig it. Sure what the bashedi there. Come lend me the liquor. Your back hurt you? If your back hurt you, go lay down, you know, because them will for work and all them sitting and all your face look fresh. Me understand. How who cut it down? Them man want clean the road now? Me can't dig your shoe off, dig it for me, the iron weed. No, me know it wrong is a disgrace. Iron weed, me want to show the people them. All them a bush we a drink all about a country, you know. This a pot of bush that? That's what you just shot down our?
One board.
What, the bird, the weed bush?
Yeah.
Yo, but you chop it for that serious bush, you know. See the iron weed, yeah? Take off the grass and fry. Me wonder, I hope them man they not pass you and pee careless. Me not think no wonder when you have to drink. Because them man the things off control. So, Parry, this is what we call iron weed. Me drink this already. Me not ask no bad day. Me drink this already. You see? You dig it with the root.
Shoe lime? One lime tree come up there, so.
You never remember a shoe? Eh, shoe travel with blessing, you know. Anywhere about shoe go, you know. And anything in plant it not dead, you know. Anything about shoe put in hand pan and plant it, it strive.
Yeah, man.
We don't want everything go over bush. I want that one dish a shoe kuya. See one that one here. Yes, and see one here. Hey boy, anyway you the blessing follow, you know. You can over bush go plant them. So see the broom weed there. Dig it, me show them. See the broom weed there. See it there, dig that one there. And when we are little pitney, we draw all of them and put them together. No, not the no bars if you sweep yard. Come there. This is the no bars. Yeah, show them no bars. We not sweep yard with it. See broom weed there. All of them you know. Show what we do with them now. We don't use them for sweep yard. Yeah. But further back now, me hear say, what them say that one is good for shoe? Poor shoe when he come to the shoe is a bushman, but him don't know the name of the bush them. That's why him don't know the name of them. And me I fear show him some of them. Watch here. Me never see say my man render run a back up a yard. The shoe you couldn't show me. Run a back there so me I look show. No, me never know. Me never know so pat up render.
Yeah, man, with everything.
So these are the broom weed, Parry. All these they say can make tea. But when we were kids, and you can comment if you know them, I move the no bazi. We use them, cut them, put them together and make a bundle sweep yard. Also the iron weed. Ah, God almighty. But me no really know the scientific name for them. But me drink this already. Me remember if me drink the broom weed. See I one day that one day ago. I want me as a shoe. I like my See all one day. I want this so.
I work for lime tree I grew up there.
No man, this is not a lime tree. This look like a grapefruit. A pear citrus then. How about that? Lime? Orange. Parry, we have a citrus orchard getting on here. Shoe, I go anywhere him there. See in little house here, you soon come out of show. See there in the same I go there at night time, Parry. But look here, in the nearer than further to go in a little house. But to God be the glory. It's a citrus orchard. Anywhere about show the blessing today. So we have the iron weed and we have the broom weed. And we have the nuni basil, the nuni basil or the wild basil.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we have a whole go to hell.
Well, man, make tea, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, wild time.
But look down yonder, your uncle dad. Put the camera here. You really are sure me thing. Watch here. Parry kuya. Some people that find one little. What name?
Fever grass.
Fever grass. Who they? See, they show them me. All about a roadside here. See, they just they all about them and then come take out them private. This are going with all kind of things with it. You don't pass here and do that again, you see? Please do not keep on things under control. But you can't broke it over, so. Look up on fever grass. And some people that glad to get liquor. You think I like Murph? If a couple strong, them would have glad to get. Me have to know me I broke it carry cut me.
Yeah, man, you
Smell nice, yeah? Yes, master. And so me want to get the place clean out and all. Here? You see them little yellow bead one? We eat them when we go to school, you know? Yeah? You don't know about that? When we are picnic never easy, you know, we pick them off and eat them. Me don't know where it from, me never know. Parry, you no comment. That's why me can't tell us me I live around the back of it for sure. It's around the little something there. And we see there, this is a leaf. And when you turn it over like this, them little seed there, we eat them when we are going to school. Because when we are going to school, we need picnic, we never normal. Mr. Parry, look here now. We look for them for me, you know. Lime. And lemonade plus. Where they are grown this? Where them they do? Where them they do? Them here, you know what I'm going to cook a rundown? A rundown, we are going to cook in a roast breadfruit. But Parry, this breadfruit, you know, whenever you're going to buy breadfruit and see still like this, please do not take your money by it. You see, this is beasting. But I am very, very determined to carry it into the city. Mark it round. Me I'll show you and roast it, see if me get nothing out of it. Because I know it a go nice any little thing me get. So me have 2, 4, 6 coconut. Run down this week, Dad. Right? Yeah. All kind of run down. Every run down. Yeah. Yeah. So rain a fall, but guess what? Rain a fall I sent me, but guess what, Uncle Murphy?
Yeah.
Dirty not tough.
You know, tough.
Good there. Next clip. Come on. Yeah, give me that. Give me that piece there. Yeah, right this one. Cut piece more. Cut the 3 piece, give me. Yeah. Right. Guava leaf tea. But you know, if you cut the leaf, them way all like me. If you cut the leaf, them way young and nice. If the leaf them all and back you like me, the tea I got too bitter. Because it's a very strong tea, you see? So make sure you Google it. I'm just using it for myself. Because you see me the pan me look herbal tea journey me I show you. So me come a bushmouth here and you stand. All the shame I make here, you know. Me not drink it. But then say if you have like abscess, me see people do it already. For your teeth and you boil it touch it. You see them?
You boil it, it's a good root.
Yeah. Just the shame I make alone. It burst the abscess. Yeah man. You know if you have an abscess for your teeth, the people ain't call it. Gum boil. Yeah. And you boil it. Yeah, prickly, you know. Yeah, you have to dig it out, man. Him not pick it, man, him just a touch it. You dig it out from the root, you know. Yeah, man. And you just boil it and soak your gum with it and something. Yeah. Hey, see they know no bazi, yeah. Anytime you see they know no bazi up for Christmas, you see? See them in a bush, yeah, di.
Yeah.
See them there? All boat, you see them? In there?
Yeah, man.
Sure. Me I beg you dig out some of them and put it for dry for me here. See them in a bush. Do you me I go do? Me I go. Eh? They're not Christmas. You don't see a Christmas shoe? Shoe sale. You know what shoe him just say though. We don't know see. We have to put them in the Uncle Murphy. No more Uncle Murphy say.
No more bread figure.
You don't care them. Hey, me I care that glass city.
Bad.
Yeah, Uncle Murphy take put breadfruit them and the terrains. Then me I go rub up in the backyard back, you know, with the up and down.
No, the bag there, put them now.
Yeah, but the banana and the plant now go rub up.
One box around it.
We can't rub up them in a box, yeah. We don't want the banana rub up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everything can hold in a box. Just the plant make everything.
No, what I'm saying, we could just spread something and then put it on there so they wouldn't get to rub a lot.
No.
Yeah, we have to look something like that. Good. Right, so. We can't carry a shoe bucket, you know. We want one bag. Papa Jesus, how that? Bunny, are you that? Lord God, me glad me see your boy. You come from banking on Friday, yeah. Yes, me like how you look. You look money-ish. Yes. See, Bunny, you come up the road there, brother. Bunny, that.
A long time.
A long time. Me say me glad me see me see show.
Bunny?
No banking I come from.
Bunny? What you have done?
Yeah, left something with we, man. But when you come from bank in a area, so countryman carry their money, you know. In a one fine bag, in a one next bag.
So nobody know
Nobody don't know nothing, man. Me like how your bag look. Me like how the money bag. Hey, where you the pan? You good? You good?
No, that's good, yeah.
Yeah, them don't know. Them don't know you always good. If you come from bank with all them kind of statement book there and your bag good for full of money every Friday, you know most good, brother. Eh?
We are sentence.
We are sent on they say you have your bank?
I'm not one.
Hey, and a regular bank that you know, Chacha.
A big bang.
Big bang.
A big bank.
Oh, man, no family. No family, Friday not there. I look in the family in my school out that week.
Yeah, yeah, that's easy. That's answer, but all right. So I know your family, them and your people, them answer. But I not tell them I like your bag. I not go and party day night Friday. Your bag look how we are.
You know, I just scores on board.
Eh? I will if I were a thing because we do something. I try sweep off and rub off here so. You know, party. Me have to do what me have to do. You see what me have to say? You see all the slug in me here? You see me here?
Slug in there.
Yeah. I'm just use the rub out in there, so. Get them look water. Hey, me ain't care. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Something turns around here, so. Why? This Africa come out in that pot there. It wants space. Wow. I go and deal with it. When me know Seki never do come again, you know, find Syrian and a concrete work him go look. Terence, me never see around there, so in me I go around there go look before me left.
You run, I say,
Yeah.
but you go around this man, but you never see it.
Me never go around there.
Oh.
From the outside. I went me down there so a while ago now. You know, so I should make that say that much. This come up nice, don't? But it want a bigger something.
Yeah.
And this I want him over here, so. Like him a drop seed.
So I
and
empty something you can go and we come back up, I can put in it.
what?
I empty
That big one there. Can you see me put it there? Yeah. You know, so then everybody if you take some sitting from, you know how long me have them sitting here. But since me carry come up and now it look good. And then everybody if you take plant from, you know. That me I tell you. But at the end of it, me am giving God the glory. Me have whole it figure thanks to mama. That me I do. You have to leave them there so make them go on with a bag of things, mulch and all them sort of something there. So, you can't go no more and so. The one then come here and take the welding torch and mash up my tile then. So something will happen to me up here, so you see. But, at the end of it, you learn everything that happened to you, whether good or bad, you learn. This take time I come up. It did there?
Yeah.
Never had a go along with nothing. And we take with time I go on. Ooh, Lord. Nothing from morning, you know.
Myself, I feel
Hungry, so me I come left because I don't cook no food. Because the weather.
no man, nothing can.
I'm not deal with that. King for come set up the place that I can't get for. Deal with things. When I come back up and I wash off this, and I go put one hanging. The arcade, but the root still in there, but you know, look, I hear the sneaker, this thing. And so I have a next one here, where I can set something in it. Wow! Yeah, where you say Uncle Bunny, you cut? All right, blessings, my brother, blessings.
All right,
See?
Lolly.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man. Yeah. Cool. So, I do this now and then I damp him up. I would look like something and just wipe out. I just a little hurry come up thing and official this, you know. But I can't left it so, yeah. Woo! So that one there looks so like nothing there on it. Uncle Murphy. Why? No, sir. I can't laugh. Papa Jesus. Oh. God bless my mother. Yep. Rain a fall and a coming, but
Yeah.
we soon deal with that. That soon take care of. One day at a time. One day at a time. Parry. One. Take out the slippers there for me. Day at a time. You have left it like that? You have left it like that?
Wait.
That metal like that there. I mean, I think you should have left it, you know.
Left you way.
Up
Okay.
here.
Do you know this one me carry up? Me
Yeah,
not carry
but
back
I'm
down.
saying, are you leaving it up here?
Yeah. Me not carry back down.
Okay. I wash out him up now, uncle. Push it underneath your sand well put it. See, so, Harry? My final little exercise this, you know. Then we are going to eat the road in a cars.
I go come down again.
Yeah, man, that's what me I said. Wash who with them up here now. I cut. Uncle Murphy, turn up the car, deal with your business, angle your business, already, we're ready. Cobb, check up all of your things and where you have, all of your money and your bank statement, then we're ready.